Alright, so I adjusted the idle and I gave it some coolant and it's leaking out the bottom. So I think we should be good. Fuel pressure is holding. See if we can make it up this old hill here. Different. Completely different. What do you think, Anaheim? Just says, I don't know what the crap. What do you think? Coolant's holding? Or the coolant level, I guess. Look at this, guys. Let's just turn left and we'll go home. What do you think, Anaheim? Go pick up my car afterwards. This is working great. What do you think, Anaheim? Is this cool? Is this so cool? Still holding. Somebody's watching this, they're like, what is this guy doing? This is the first time. First time I really get to drive my bus. Oh yeah. Put it through a test. Huh, Anaheim? Oh, let's drive this thing home, people. Just gotta button up a few things. I think this thing's almost ready for a trip. Let's do one more. I didn't come up here for nothing. Anybody need some bus seats? Because I've got plenty. That was highly successful. I am very pleased. That's the best run I've ever had in this thing. And the idle's up, so I don't have to hold the gas. Yep, there it is. Anaheim, what do you think? Anaheim, come on up. Come on up, Sissy. Come on up.